It now looks like that the Ministries of Law and the HRD ministries are at loggerheads over the midday meal scheme. The Union Law Minister Sadanand Gowda has returned to the HRD ministry asking for clarification on the proposal to monetize the midday meal scheme, which means that if any student does not get the midday meal at his school, he will be given a financial compensation. Rohini Swamy has his exclusive story.
Union Law Minister Sadanand Gowda has frowned upon a Gazette notification issued by the Union HRD Ministry that makes it mandatory to pay money to students who do not get the midday meal at their schools. Gowda has now asked Smriti Irani's ministry to explain.
See, practically I don't know how the HRD ministry has come to that conclusion. What are the reasons behind it? What is the rationale behind it? I don't know all those things. But I read in newspaper that the students who are not taking food directly, they will be paid the equal sum of amount for the food articles. Thinking of HRD on those directions, I am not fully aware of it. Really, I want to know it from the HRD ministry.
The notification issued on September 30th states, if midday meal is not provided in a school on any school day, the state government shall pay food security allowance. The allowance will be fixed based on quantity of food grain supplied as per entitlement of a child and the cooking cost prevailing in the state. Educationists say they cannot digest this move by the ministry.
The central government relying upon Section 8 of the National Food Security Act, which says that in case some of the food entitlements are not provided, you can provide some kind of a food allowance. That cannot be used as a ruse to bring about this. So this notification is unconstitutional. There's no two ways about it.
The Karnataka government too is not in favor of monetizing the midday meal scheme.
For children, if we start saying that we start monetizing it, definitely there will be a lot of problems and a lot of confusion. But I think the main thing is that government should ensure that midday meal schemes are being implemented in each and every school, and the question of giving allowance should not arise.
The bigger threat from this monetization program is that money could be misused by the young students or their parents. The question is whether the HRD ministry, which has seen so many controversies in the last 18 months or so, will consider withdrawing this rule, or whether this will also go to the Supreme Court. With Rohini Swamy in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.